See about something installation of the Power BI, how to install that Power BI in your PC. Okay, if anyone having doubts on this installation, okay, so and in the Google Classroom, I'll upload the document how to install the document and all details about the training sessions. So you guys are need to get the access. Who can get the access means who are enrolled that these course for them only the access is giving to them. Okay, so for them only the videos and actions that all things, and apart from that we can upload some documents about whatever the things we are discussing. Okay, the everyday documentations will upload to there. Okay, it means the classroom. So from the classroom you have to get that, you have to practice. Okay, clear, clear everyone.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now we are seeing that something about the Power BI desktop. Okay, see in the Power BI desktop, whatever the things we do have, we are going to see each and everything. We'll see. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. Now what I will do is see initially if I'm following that. mm, Okay, see if I'm following that the architecture or the source, I mean the working of the Power BI. Okay, the architecture of the Power BI, the workflow of the Power BI. If you're observing that, what is my initial step?
Import the data.
Collecting the data from the data source, okay, into the Power BI desktop. That's my initial step. Okay, initially if you need to create any one report, if you need to create any one dashboard, what do you need? You should need one
Data.
data, right? So where the data is there, we have to know that. Okay, the clients will be giving you in the BRD, which is business required documents. They will be trying to giving you, see where the data is stored, which one stable you need to store. These all the things they will be giving to you. Okay, in the form of BRD, which is business required document. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, but once you got that, you know where the data is there. Okay, we know where the data is there. Now how we can import that into the Power BI desktop, we are also going to see that. Okay, the initial step is we have to import that into that Power BI, right? So what I need to do, just I'm going to collecting the data from the data source. For that, what I'm doing, observe carefully. See here, I'm having the data. In the data, I'm going to selecting that get data. So get data means here we need to select the data source, which one you need to, which one which one data source my client is using. That it means where my data, where my business data is exactly stored in that. Okay, that's what. See, we know what is the data source, right? What is the data source? What is the data source? Anyone?
From where the data is coming.
So where it is, the data source only, right? Yes or no? In the data source only. So here, which one data source I need to get, I'm going to selecting here, and then from them I'm getting the data. Okay, for now, as I told you, 90 plus data sources are available, right? Power BI can available, Power BI can able to connect with 90 plus data sources. So these all are the data sources only. Okay. Now what is my data sources? Just I'm using Excel workbook. Why? Because everyone knows Excel workbook. Everyone having installed. Everyone can use this. So everyone can use. That's why I'm going to using that Excel. Okay. So the Excel workbook I'm going to using that as a data source. Okay. And my data is all the data is stored in my Excel only. Okay. I'm going to click on OK. See now what it is asking that here. Okay, see I selected something. Okay, now I need to select where the data is there. See, once you selected that Excel workbook, okay, in your local machine or in your device, okay, what are the Excel data sheets are there? Okay, what are the Excel files are there? Those all the files it will be showing for you, except that no one file it will be giving you. See, for example, in this two folders I do have CSV files, but it is not showing that. Why? Because as of now I did selected something about the Excel data source only. Okay, that is the reason. That is the reason. Now what I will do is just I'm going to taking one more data. See, these are all the data sets. These are the data sets. These all are using to you. Okay, using those all the things for you only. Okay. Now these are all the things. Just all the data. I'm going to selecting one more data. Okay, product table is there. I'm going to selecting one data file. Okay, which is sample superstore data. I'm going to selecting this. Now I'm going to click on open. See, I'm getting one navigator pop-up, right? It's loading the data. See, once I got the data, once I did connected with my Excel data workbook. So in the data source, okay, what are the sheets are there? It will be showing that. What are the tables are there? It will be showing that. Now what I need that table only. The required table, whatever the table is there, I need to get that into my Power BI, right? Okay, now here, once you selected that which one data you want to store, I mean, if you want to pull into the data source, okay, you want to pull into that Power BI, which one you need means, now here you need to select that orders. After that, what you have to do is just you have to go and select that load.
రికార్డింగ్ ఆన్లైన్ ఉందండి.
Recording all on the okay, am I audible, guys? Am I audible to you? Yes, right?
Yes.
Can anyone everyone hear me, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine. So we have seen that how to gather the data from using with the Excel data source. Okay, how to gather the data means just you need to go to select the data from here, get data, or else you can get from here also. There will be one option. You can get from here also. There will be one option. Okay, so in these three ways you can collect the data from these different data sources. Okay, as of now, I've seen that Excel data source, and in that Excel data source I do have one file which is orders file, and that orders file I did upload it in, I mean I did pull into my Power BI. Okay, clear everyone how to gather the data, how to get the data, how to collect the data. Okay, anyone doubts? Uh,
Can you show me the how the CV can check the data? I mean, import the data. Hello, hello.
Nagarjuna, please Nagarjuna, what's your query? Sorry for that.
Yeah,
Hello,
can
Nagarjuna,
you
please.
show me how? Yeah, can you show me how we can retrieve the data from CV file, CSV file?
See, for that also we'll see that. For that also we'll say. Just you need to go and select the CSV file. Data source. See, these are all our CSV files. While we are discussing the CSV files, while we are discussing the Power Query data, we need to use these all the data sets. While we are using this, okay, while we are discussing that at the time, I will try to use that the CSV files also. Okay. So just as of now,
Okay,
we are going to trying with Excel file only. Okay, clear.
okay. Yeah,
So it means whatever the data you need to get, whatever the data source it is, just you need to go to that get data, okay, and then select your data source. There will be some list. Select your data source. Okay, clear,
yeah.
clear.
Can it be
Or
convert
else,
our text data into table?
sorry.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
See, I have a data like text. In the notepad, I have a data. Can it be while importing? Can it be converted to a tables or it will just take
Exactly,
it as a text?
exactly. However the data is there. However the data is there, okay, in your data source, whatever the data source it is, however the data has been stored in the data source. But when when I'm pulling the data into the Power BI, that should be pulled as a tabular form only.
Okay.
Okay, okay, nothing is there, nothing is just only the tabular form. However the table, see, you know that HTML file, right? XML file,
Yeah. Yeah.
how it will be. I'll show you
Yeah.
one
It's
thing.
like a data form only. Yeah.
Whatever, see, you're asking something, right? That example for you. Okay, just I'll try to open it. Where is this? See, what is this XML file, right?
Oh,
See, this is XML file does not appear for any styles information associated with this. The documentary is shown below. Okay, let's see how the data we can see.
oh,
See, this is my data actually. Here in the XML file, my data has been stored. You know.
okay.
Okay, if I'm
Okay.
pulling this
Yeah.
all the data into my Power BI, okay, I will be get all the data tables, whatever the data is available here. You don't need to worry
Oh,
about it. Just you need to pull that. That's
okay.
it. It will be taken care by Power BI only. That's why the Power BI is simply a beautiful tool. It's a very intelligent and demanding tool. You
Oh,
don't need to do anything changes here. Just
okay.
see, product tables means we're having multiple tables in this file. Okay, those are all the
Okay.
multiple pages, so we can get into our Power BI. Okay, clear? Okay. We'll see everything. We'll see everything. I'll let you know. Everything I'll let you know. Don't worry about it. Okay, just try to work starting with the basic thing, which is Excel only. Okay, Excel only. I did gather the data from the data source. Okay, which is Excel data source. I'm using that. Okay, now once I gather the data into that Power BI, so now what I have to do? Initially, I did gather the data into the Power BI desktop, and then what I need to do that, and then what I need to do
Get into the data.
how to view the data. to analyze it. Yes or no? To analyze it, I have to
Yeah.
view the data. Yes or no? So where the data is there? I did open the data. I did imported the data into here. But where the data is there? It will be in the table form. I mean table view. So here you are able to get that what the data you have been gathered. Okay, what the data you have been gathered. It means we'll be having something about row ID. Okay, order ID. See whatever the record is there in the data table, each and every one record you should need to understand. Why? Because see in the columns what type of the records are there. If you know that, then only you can understand with your requirements. It means what you have to know. You should know each and everything. When I'm saying that each and everything you should know, that means what is order ID column, what is order date column, what is ship date column, what is ship mode, what is customer ID, how the customer is creating here. Customer ID is creating here, customer name, okay, segment or how many segments are there. Three segments are there. What are those? Consumer, customer, corporate customer, or home office. This type of all the records we will be having here, right? Yes or no? So this type of the things is there. Okay, we need to analyze these all things based on this data. We will be having some requirement. That requirement I'll let you know while we are creating the visual. Okay, based on that your requirement, based on that your data, you are going to creating a visuals. Okay, you are going to creating a reports and the dashboards. Is that clear? Okay, so now what I have to do means just I need to go here. So I need to see that what is this row ID. Okay, row ID means it's a simply an ID for the table. Yes or no? Okay, it is simply an ID for the table, right? The row ID it is. Now coming to order ID. What is the order ID? Do we know that order ID? Where I can see that order ID. See, and before that, why we need to analyze and understand the data means we have to we have to analyze the data. Why? Why no one is answering from my question? Am I audible to everyone? I'm asking that order ID, where you got it? Hello?
From the data only.
See, where you will get that order ID? See, for example, you are
See,
using that any
whatever
one
order we
company.
have, yeah, whatever the customer is ordered, we have some unique
Mm,
ID. Is that the
yeah,
order ID? Every order has a
order
unique
ID.
ID.
Why they will be giving
Yeah.
you? Why they will be giving you the order ID? Why they are giving you the order ID?
For
What is the
for
use of
tracking
that?
purpose, for tracking
For
or
tracking purpose. Track your
yeah,
order. To track your order, they will be providing for you an order ID. Okay, with the help of that order ID, you can track your order. Right now, we're having something about the order date. What is that order date? When I did order, right? What is the ship date? When the order is going to deliver. Yes or no? When the order is going to deliver. Now, coming to here, we're having something about ship mode. What is that? Ship mode here, right? Okay, ship mode means in the ship mode we're having the data first class, same day, second class, standard class. One, two, three, four. Four records are there. Okay, four unique records which are first class, consumer, and second class and standard class. Now coming to this, what is my first class data? Okay, what is my first class data? Uh, okay, what is that first class? See, we're having one something ship mode here. What is that first class? So for that, what I will do is to understand it clearly, I'm going to checking the first class data. It is only the first class data will be filtering here. Okay, observe carefully this order date and ship date. Okay, this order date and then ship date. Observe these two carefully. Now let me know what is going on with the first class.
there will be 3 or 4 days difference in between order and the ship date.
Okay, good. Any one date is there more than 4 days or 3 days?
No.
It means it means while you're ordering anyone, while you're doing any one order, okay. So there will be one option which is ship mode is available in that application. Okay, assume this is a e-commerce application. This e-commerce application is okay. This business is going somewhere. We need to see that also. That in the geographic data, I will see that. You don't worry about it. Okay. Now this orders date. See this data. See, order date, shift date, the first class. When I'm ordering any one order means there will be a ship mode. Okay, in the ship mode we are going to see that. We are going to see that first class. Now, what is first class? What is first class? We are getting see right. See any one date is there more than 4 days. So within 4 days I can get if I'm ordering that. By using ship mode which is first class. Please let me know if anyone having anything more than
See, see,
4 days.
yeah, one question here. See, the order date is 14th, the first record, and the shipment date is 17th. But what about the delivery date? Within 4 days we can get the delivery, or I didn't understand that the difference.
Ship date means what is mean by ship date? You will
It
get
is,
that
yeah, it is. It is shipped. If I order today means I
hmm.
got shipped in the next on tomorrow means the ship date will be on tomorrow.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
the delivery. Uh,
Ship date
they have
means when
delivered to
we
the.
see when we are getting that ordered product, it means ship date here. Here the ship date
Yeah,
means
yeah.
when we are getting that ordered. When we are getting my order.
Okay, is it equal to the delivery date, or the only separate? Delivery
Delivery
date
date
is
here.
separate.
Delivery date here. Delivery date here.
Shipment date is equal to delivery date.
Here,
Both are
yeah,
same.
in this data that will be equal to delivery date. Okay, it means
Okay.
within a 3 to 4 days, within a 3 to 4 days, I'm able to get that data. I'm able to get my order. Okay, I'm able to get my order. Any one date is there. 6 to 9 means how many days? 6 to 9 means 4 days only, right? 6 to 9, 4 days. 13 to 15. How many days? 3 days only. Sorry, 2 days only, right?
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
what if I'm using that, the ship mode is first class while I'm ordering any one thing. Okay, now I'll get this within. It will be shipping within
Within 4 days, 4 to 5 days.
exactly. Now, what is same day? Do we need to explain about the same day?
The same day, the delivery and the shipment date both are on the same date. Order
Both are
date and
same,
the
right?
shipment date. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now
Okay.
coming to this second class here. See, don't worry. I will share this data to you. You also can use this. Okay. But if you want to get this data, you need to go and log in with Classroom, Google Classroom. There you will get some access. Okay, there you will get this order date. Okay. Now coming to here, what I did selected. Okay, second class I did selected, right? See, once I did selected second class, how many days are there maximum for this second? Second class.
Yeah, it is also 3 to 4 days only.
3 to 4 days only. Second class
Yeah.
means there will be some difference. We'll see that. 11 to 15th. How many days? 5
Yeah.
days, right?
Yeah.
September
5 days.
11, 12, 13,
Means
14, 15.
yeah. Some are
Yeah.
related to 2 or 3 days. June 11th and June 13th.
Yeah, whether it is 2 days, whether it is, let's see, some days if you observe that, if you ordered any one project, I mean product in our Azure or Amazon, what will happens? They will be giving the deadline of the receive, I mean deadline of the shipping the order. But before that, they will
Okay,
be
okay.
do that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
okay,
what is mean
okay.
by that?
Yeah,
There will be some margin date. Okay. In between the dates, it will be giving to you. It will be delivering to you. It means there will be 5 days of time for the second class ship mode. For the second class ship mode, there will be 5 days of time. In these 5 days of time, you can get whenever, whatever, whenever it is. I mean, whether it is you can get the second day, whether you can get that third day, whether you can get that fourth day or first day only, whatever it is. But finally,
okay.
if you selected the ship mode which is second class, the margin date
It
is
should
5 days.
5 days. Yeah.
Okay, within 5 days we will get it. Did you got it right now?
Okay.
See what I'm trying to say? See, try to
Yes.
analyze the data, whatever the data is there. Okay, it's very very important here, guys. Please, okay, please don't feel anyone. Please don't feel that bore. Okay, see, we're having the ship date. So in this ship date, we are having the second class. For the second class, we are trying to analyzing these all things. Okay, now we're having one more thing: standard class. Can anyone expect what is standard class?
More than 5 days.
Standard class it is 8 May 2017, 12th May 2017. What is the, I mean, how many days are there in between these two dates? 8, 9,
More than
10,
5.
4 days,
12.
sir.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 days. You need to calculate including today also. It means today means when you ordered the, see, for example, I ordered today. It means February 14th. I should calculate today as one day, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it means 8th May, 9th May, 10th May, 11th May, 12th May. It means 5 days of time here, right? Now coming to 14th September to 18th September. Now let me know these 3 days, these 2 days, how many days? 5 days. Yes or no? 14, 15, 16,
Yeah.
17, 18. 29 to 3, 24 to 30. 30 means
6, 7,
7
7
days.
days.
Okay. 7 days. Maximum 7 days we got it. So far I did not get anywhere. The maximum of days 7 days only. Here only I'm getting that.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So
Yeah.
remember this. So remember this. Remember this. I need to check whether there is any one other date. Is there a maximum of 7 days? 20 to 27th June. Okay. 20 to
8,
27th
8
June
days.
means
Yeah.
7 days.
28 days. 8 days. 20 and 27 is 8 days.
Mm, 24, 28, right? You are saying that?
No, 20 and 27.
Yeah, 20 and 27, 8 days. The maximum days we are having eight
Yeah.
days, right? See, it means
Yeah.
whatever it is. Okay. See, there will be one margin which is 8 days of the margin for the standard class. Okay. If you did selected the standard class ship mode, okay, you will get it by 8 days, right? Within the 8 days, you can get whether it will get I mean fourth day or fifth day, sixth day. Okay, you will get it. So that's all about the ship modes. Whatever the ship modes are there, whatever the records are there, how to analyze that, that is the thing we have seen that. Yes or no? Clear?
Okay.
Clear everyone? See, customer ID, we know that. What is the customer ID? Based on the customer, they will be providing one customer ID. Okay, now coming to this customer name, it is okay. The customer name is, who's that? Who's the customer? We are the customers, right? Okay, we are going to I mean purchasing the products and all from the one e-commerce application. Okay, for them, who are the customers? We are the customers, right? Okay, so now coming to this segment. Okay, in this segment, okay, we are having something about the data. Okay, so we are having some I mean what is mean by segments means the type of the customers. We are having the customers, which type of customers those are, whether they're consumer customers or whether they are corporate customers, whether they are home office supplies. home office customers. Now what about that consumer? Who is that consumer? First of all, let me know. Did you
Consumer
got my point?
means
Yeah. See, for example, I have a plan to buy a mobile, okay, which is, whatever it is, okay, iPhone or OnePlus or any one, okay. Now, I have a plan to buy a mobile, okay. Now, I'm going to purchasing in Amazon, okay. Now, let me know which one customer I am.
consumer
Consumer means, what is mean by the consumer?
means single person or customer.
Anyone aware of that consumer customer? Consumer customer means what is mean by that? Who are ordering that? Who are doing that order? So in that order, whatever the product is there, that product should be using by yourself only. It means myself only. My personal it is. My mobile is my personal, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now who I am? I'm the consumer customer. Okay, I'm the consumer customer, right? It's clear.
yeah,
Hmm.
yes.
Now consumer customer means one type of customer who are ordering the products. It means we are the consumer customers, right? You are one consumer or customer. You are one type of consumer, one type of customer. Which what is that? Consumer it is. I'm also consumer. Okay, who are buying, who are going to order the product. Okay, for themselves for themselves only. They will be called as consumer customer. Now coming to corporate. So give me one example for consumer customer. Anyone? Give me one example. What happened? Give me one example for that, man. Guys, please. See, today, February 14th, right? One special day today. So today I need to buy one gift for someone. So what is that? Consumer customer I am, right? Yes or no? If I'm buying
Yes,
anyone, okay, gift means that is myself only. I'm not giving public. I'm not giving that to public. Okay, clear. Whatever it is, the gift it is. See, if I'm buying anything else, okay, heart symbol and all, whatever it is, right? Okay. Now what I will do is, now I will see that consumer. We have seen that. Now we're having one more. What is that? Corporate customer. Who is this? The corporate segment it is. Now what is that corporate? Anyone can guess that? If anyone know this means, let
who
me
can
know.
buy? Yeah, who can buy the bulk amount of products?
So for what?
Bulk amount of products.
Bulk means for what? For use of public only, right?
Yeah, yeah, for use of public.
So for use of public who are going to buying the products, who are going to ordering that product, they will be called as a corporate customers.
Yeah.
Then coming to home office. Then coming to home office. See, for example, there is one example I will give you that for a home office type customer, there is one printer. What is that? What is mean by printer? What is mean by printer? Xerox machine. We know that, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
Yeah. So I can buy that printer for myself and I can use it for myself. And apart from that, I can use this to for public purpose also, right? So no, by using the printer, I'm going to giving some Xerox copies or anything, copies to someone. I'm getting some money, right? So no, it means I'm getting some money. It means I'm going to using that printer for myself. To get that money, what I'm doing? I'm using this printer for public also. Both.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yes or no? Did you got my point, everyone? See, for
Yes,
example,
sir.
see, I'm going,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
going to
Got
one
it. Yeah. Got it. For the usage of public and for usage of consumer, both the combined is
yes,
for home or
yes.
office.
See, exactly. See, I will give you one more example. If anyone did not understand means, please try to listen this carefully. See, I'm going to my office. Okay, in the office, in my cabin, there will be one air conditioner, which is AC. Actually, the AC, who will buy that? Who will buy that
Company.
AC? Office purpose only, right?
Office purpose.
But
Yeah.
who is using this? In office,
Employees.
it using that. Employees also it is using that. Okay, according to me, I'm the public, right? Yes or no? I'm the
Yeah.
public.
Yeah.
Now the AC, the air condition is purchased for ordered for office only. Here the
Yeah.
office is using for me. I'm the public. So here the office also using and me also using that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is mean by that? That is home office type, home office customer type it is.
Yeah.
Clear everyone? I hope everyone clear with this example, right? Right,
Yes. Yes.
Priya? So
Yes,
now
sir.
the customer customers, okay, corporate customers, home office customers, these three types of the customers are there here. Okay, we need to analyze the data also. Okay, now coming to here, we're having one more thing which is country or the region. Okay, the country or the region, we're having United States, right? Okay, we're having United States only. It means this business is going on in, I mean, at United States country. Okay, did you got my
Yeah.
point?
Yes.
That's why,
Yes. Yes.
I mean, see, that's why we are having these all the things. Okay, now we are having the region, which is country. Now, obviously, whenever we are having the country, we'll be having some cities. Yes or no? We'll be having some states. We'll be having some postal codes, as well as we'll be having some regions also. Yes or no? So, what are the
Yes.
regions are there for my India? North, south, east, west. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
So those are the regions, right? So but here for this country we are having only four regions, the same regions, but the central region is there, east region is there, south is there, west is there. Okay, clear? These four regions are available. These four regions are available for my okay, for my country. Okay, now for that country which is US states, United States. Now coming to that product ID. Okay, product ID which is I mean identifying the product particularly, why they are giving the product ID.
What of the
See,
product they have ordered? What type of
we
product?
are having directly the name of product, right? Why they need to mention the product ID?
Yeah, if I ordered a product twice means we need to track that what are the product we have ordered.
See what is mean by product ID? ID means please go on wait. See, ID means we are going to identify something. Okay, here I am going to identify the product with the help of ID name. Why? Because see, if you observe that in the product name column, if you observe that in the product name column, can anyone please read this? Can anyone please?
Fellows 8 outlet supervisor workstation,
Hmm.
circuit protector
Protector.
um, from phone fax or modern production.
Okay. For this, we are having this ID. Now let me know if I need to call this product, which one is better way? Whether I need to use that product ID or whether I need to use the product name. If I need to call this multiple times, what I will do is, hey, get that product which is 040. Yes or no?
Okay. Yeah.
Get it right? So what is mean by that? To identify
Yeah.
the product name, they're giving something about the product ID. Okay, the category. So in the category, we are having something about, we are having some categories: furniture, office supplies, and technologies. Okay, furniture, office supplies, and technologies. We are having three categories. Okay, we know that furniture, right? Yes or no? Furniture we know. Technology also we know.
Yes,
What are
sir.
the technology? Mobiles and all, right? Okay, files, printers, and all will be called as a technology. Okay, and then furniture. Now office supplies. What are the office supplies? Envelopes, papers, appliances, storages. So these all will be called as office supplies products, right? Now coming to the category. Okay, this is my category. This is my subcategory. Okay, office supplies subcategory. Which one is there? Storage is there. Okay, these all things will be called as a subcategory. What are the records are there? I mean around 12. I mean 10 to 12 records will be there in our subcategory records. Okay, now coming to product name, we have seen that. Now coming to use this sales, coming to see that quantity, we know that sales, we know that quantity. I think no need to discuss about the discount also. Why? Because everyone know this discount. Why? Because if there is anywhere 70% discount, 70% discount, we will be there, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Actually, how to check whether there is 70% discount is there or not today? Okay, for today I need to check it. Now there is a profit also. Okay, now what I need to understand is, I'm having something e-commerce data, e-commerce business is going on here. I know what are the records are there, I know what are the columns are there, I know all the thing about the data, I can understand this data. Now what will do is, I need to understand my requirements. Now see, as of now we don't have any requirement. Just I will try to create the, I do have some requirements. Based on that, I will try to create one visualization. When I'm creating a visualization, so I will give you some example scenarios which are called as some requirements. Okay, clear? Am I audible or not, guys? Can you hear me, everyone?
Sir.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry for that inconvenience. I didn't check. I
Yes.
didn't check if my connection is the battery is low. I didn't it. Sorry for that. Okay. So now, so that's what I can analyze my data. Okay. Now I know whatever the data is there. Okay. Based on that data, I can create some visualizations and reports. Okay, clear everyone? So today I'm done how to analyze the data, this all the things. Also for the next 10 to 15 days, 10 to 15 days, or 1 week or 2 weeks, we are going to working on this data set only for creating of a visuals, for creating of reports and visuals. Clear? Clear everyone? So I'm going to see each and every visual here. I'm going to see each and every visual here. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, I will start that creating of the visualizations. Okay. If anyone did not enroll this course, please try to enroll the course. Okay. And tomorrow onwards, maybe the link will be changing. Okay. And apart from that, the recording sessions also, if you need to verify your doubts, means you can go on. You have to go through that recording sessions. If you need to get the access for the recording sessions, okay, what you have to do, you should need to enroll yourself. Clear, guys, everyone? Anyone doubts? Anyone
Yes, sir.
doubts?
Sir,
uh, who's this? Yes, please.
So this is Bhavya. Can I get the Excel file which you used just now?
Yeah, sure. You'll get the Excel files and all in the Google Classroom. Once you enrolled means they will be giving you some link. You have to log in through the link. Okay, there the files will be there.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. See, my team will be connected with you. Don't worry. Whatever the data sets are there, where you can get these all things. Okay, the team will be connected with you. You can always connect with them. They will be helps to you. I will get it everything. Clear everyone,
Okay, sir.
guys, please. Okay, any doubts? Any doubts? I'm giving last 10 to 5 minutes for the doubt session only. Okay, for doubt session only, I'm giving 10 to 5 minutes. If you guys are having any doubts while I'm saying that, you can ask me right now. See, regularly the class will be, minimum duration is 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is minimum duration. See, the regular classes starts from yesterday only, right? Okay. See, actually, I will be continue with 1 hour or one plus hours also. Okay, it could be 1 hour 50 minutes. It could be 1 hour 10 minutes, or it could be 1 hour only. It could be 50 minutes or 55 minutes. Okay, that 5 to 10 minutes it will be variation will be there. Okay, if there is any issue at that time, if I'm getting that any issue, any personal issue, any personal work, if I'm do having, okay, I'll be intimate to you, you have to you need to attend the session or not. I will intimate to you in the groups also. You have to check it. Okay, every day you need to active, in your groups. Okay, they will be trying to create one group for you. Okay, in that I will inform to you when the class is there, when the class is not there. Okay, what you have to do. If you guys are facing any issues, you can you can connect with your team, with your classmates. Okay, who are the classmates here? You guys are the classmates here, right? Okay, who are joining here, right? You guys are the classmates only, right? Clear? So you see, it's like an environment it is. Okay, so where we can communicate these all the things. Okay, so there, online and offline both are available here. Okay, if anyone interested to come to online to learn this, you guys can come. Okay, at early morning 8 o'clock, I'll be there. Clear? Anything else? Anything need to discuss? Okay, fine. So that's all. Okay. See, on tomorrow. See, this is my class two, right? Sir, no. This is my class two, right? Yesterday is my class one. Clear? Going
Yes.
forward, the class should be 1 hour or more than 1 hour. Okay. So going forward, the class should be 1 hour or more than 1 hour. Please try to be patient to listen these all things. Okay. Try to attend that lesson. Live sessions only. Try to avoid the recorded sessions. Okay. Why the recorded sessions we are giving to you means, see, for example, if I'm not available any one day. Okay, if I'm not available any one day, if if I'm telling you, see, today I'm not available to conduct the training classes, so please do practice. I will do this, I will ping this to in your group. Okay, so immediately what you have to do, you no need to skip that 1 hour time for the training class. Okay, no need to skip that, no need to waste of that. What you have to do, you need to go and practice for 1 hour for the Power BI only. Why? Because you allotted 1 hour for the Power BI training class. Whether there is a training or not, for that 1 hour you have to do your work in the Power BI. Okay, so while you're doing that, if you guys are having any doubts, go through your recording session. For that only we are giving that. It will be helping you in future if you are if you are attending anyone interviews. Okay, if you need to recollect that, if you need to clarify your doubts, for that we are going to providing the records. Okay, please don't depend on recorded sessions only. Please try to please try to understand me. Please try to attend the sessions, live sessions. Okay, clear everyone? That's all about what I'm trying to say for you. Okay, and more onwards the class will be continuous for 1 hour. Okay, I'll give you 5 to 10 minutes the doubt sessions. Okay, I mean the doubts clarification timing. I will give you the duration of 10 to 9 10 to 5 minutes. Okay, fine, more than enough. Okay, right, clear everyone. Anything else need to discuss with me? Please let me know that.
No.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Then, so I'm going to leaving today. Okay. If anyone did not enroll means I'm trying to say again and again. Please try to enroll. Okay, I'm going to leave. Anything else, guys? Yeah. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.